If you don't like boring facts but still love learning, then get ready for these mind-blowing tidbits. First up, honey never spoils. Archaeologists found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs over 3,000 years old, and guess what? Still perfectly edible. Next, bananas are berries, but strawberries aren't. Botanically speaking, bananas qualify as berries while strawberries do not. Who knew, right? Ever heard about wombat poop? Well, it's cube-shaped. Wombats produce cube-shaped poop to prevent it from rolling away and to mark their territory. Nature's own little building blocks. Now get this, a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes Venus longer to rotate once on its axis, 243 Earth days, than it does to complete an orbit around the Sun. 225 Earth days. Talk about a long day. Finally, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while the third pumps it to the rest of the body. These 8-armed wonders are full of surprises, and there you have it. 5 facts to blow your mind. Share these with your friends and watch their jaws drop.